Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Camaro headlight. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a new headlight assembly, a flathead screwdriver, and a ratchet with the correct sockets. Always ensure your Camaro is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake firmly engaged for safety. Before starting any work, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts during the replacement process, keeping you safe and your vehicle protected. Now, let's access the headlight. You will need to remove the front bumper cover. Begin by locating and carefully removing the several retaining screws and plastic clips that secure the bumper to your Camaro. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender wells, releasing any additional clips or fasteners. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for fog lights or side markers, before completely detaching the bumper. This step ensures you have clear access to the headlight assembly. With the bumper removed, you can now replace the headlight. Locate and unscrew the 3 or 4 bolts that hold the old headlight assembly in place. These are usually found around its perimeter. Gently pull the old assembly forward, carefully disconnecting the main electrical connector and any other wiring harnesses. Now, take your new headlight assembly and connect it to the electrical connectors, ensuring a secure and proper fit. Finally, slide the new assembly into its mounting position and secure it with the bolts you just removed. You are almost done. It is time for reassembly and testing. Carefully reconnect all electrical connectors to the front bumper cover and then reattach it to your Camaro. Secure the bumper cover with all the retaining screws and plastic clips, ensuring a snug and proper fit. Once the bumper is back on, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Finally, test your new headlight for proper operation, verifying that both high and low beams, along with the turn signals, are functioning correctly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.